And thanks for taking a couple minutes. I'll go through this quick, but we have a new edition of our physical science, and we really have some excellent online activities for your students. I'm just going to give you a very quick look at these. Okay, we have some of these called quick lesson animations. So these are going to be videos about a certain subject. This happens to be speed and velocity. They'll be guided through the concept. Okay, so these are very engaging videos for your students. Okay, after they've done that, and notice this is about a 3-minute video, then they'll answer the questions. All right, and it'll give them feedback, right or wrong for things. So there are a number of these quick lesson animations throughout the book. Okay, this is one that has a video about Newton's law. You're going to watch it. It'll introduce the law. Notice these are set up for any special needs and accessibility questions. And this breaks things into 4 parts for this one. And notice Galileo, they can hover over it and get some information about them. So they'll answer this and then they'll go to part 2. There's some learning and reading going on. And with some of these graphs, if you put information or you hover over it, it'll give some information. They help explain it to the students. All right. So they'll answer this part. Here's another question, and that's part of this, what we call our new digital workbook. This time it's on buoyancy, and it's an interactive simulation in part 4. So as they work through this, they'll do some reading, they'll answer these questions, and then they're going to submit it and go on to the next part 4, which will have some animations and interactivity. And here is one where they're just figuring out something, and notice the things in red. Those will be different for every student. All right. And if you give them more than one chance to answer it, they'll be different when they come back. All right. Here is another exercise for them to do. Here's a numeric with math skills. Again, those are algorithmic. Sometimes they'll just be multiple choice questions. So there is a variety of questions. This happens to be a multi-part question. And this gets into our KimPad. So of course you can select the problems you want students to have. You can change how many times they get to do it at all. So not only can students get all of this, but they'll save significant money. So if you want to take a look at it in more detail with me, we sure can do that. We're happy to go over the WebAssign. There's the ebook is embedded into it. A lot of great stuff. So I do appreciate your time. Let me know what you think. Have yourself a great day.